Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna ask Jenny what is the capital of South Africa? I know the capitals, it is Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. I live here, so yes, I know it. So let's ask him. What is the capital of South Africa? Oh, wait, what? What is the capital of South Africa? Wait, what? You see what he's telling me? Okay, I'm just gonna ask Google because Jamie does not like me, I guess. What is the capital of South Africa? Tell me quick. Why won't it? Maybe later. Okay, so I say Port Advertiser, Cape Town, listening, and Bloemfontein. Yes, that is the Elie-gebou. Okay, sorry that I'm talking a little bit Afrikaans, but it is real, the Elie-gebou. It's real. I'm just zooming in on that. I don't know where that is. That looks like Cape Town or Bloemfontein. That's Cape Town, maybe. It can be. That looks like Bloemfontein. Wait, what? That is Elie-gebou also. What am I doing? Yeah, that's the statue from it. Capital of cities of South Africa. Yes, I want to know that. So, yes, I know. Provincie. Cape. Okay, I'm just pressing random stuff, bro. So, yes, this is true. That. I went up the tower. You see that little part sticking there out? You see? Wait, what? What? You see? That, that part where I'm clicking now on. Oh my days, no, I do not want to download it. That is the cable card where it comes in and comes out. And that's one of the buildings where you get to the top. That also, we lived here. We actually not lived here. We, what do you call it? We, um, we go every year to Cape Town. And like, trust me, it's a beautiful place. Why, what? What am I clicking on? I'm just gonna get out of that. So yes, this is true. This is how South Africa looks. I don't got more pictures to show you, but I do have another picture, but I can't show you now. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.